spot guys. So still continuous bite guys. Kasi where's the si mama? Mama, where are you now? I thought you are looking at the spot, but you still bite, ha? Okay. I still little bit for you, mama. Guys, oh. I thought I'm moving, guys. Still biting. No moving, guys. Still biting. But if like nothing, guys, you can look at another spot, right? Supposed to be after catching the tree, another one, already four. Supposed to be going my spot again, but still biting. I'm still little bit, guys, and then continuous catching. Maybe if not, you can go in my spot. Right? Let's go, guys. Continuous natin, guys. Woohoo! Ayun, guys, oh. Kasi good size already, guys, oh. The same size is, oh. Right? Alright, mama. Alright, baka makawala pa, guys. Alright, guys. Continuous na tayo, guys. Kasi I bring my big rod and reel again, guys. See? I sit up. Since this 10 o'clock, I think. But I try, guys, again today. But I loading my video, but until now, I don't know what happened, guys. Alright. This is my spot, guys. On si Jill Rod is there too. Kaya enjoy lang tayo, guys. Kung ano pang mga activities natin mahuli dito ngayon, guys. At least still have catching already, but not big size. Look, ay catching daw, guys. Only like that. At least you have another catching again. Right? Alright, enjoy lang. Okay. Alright, enjoy lang, Papa Joey. 20 na din yan siguro, guys. Alright, guys. Already 3:30, guys. No time to go home. But this time go home because I want to deliver my fish today, guys. See, look my spot. This is so. Like almost every day, every weekend. This is my spot. She Rod this morning, she came also, guys, maybe like 11 or 12. Yeah, you know. Kaya maybe in the house this one. You check this one, how many pieces again I catching today, guys. Ay, not catching the big one. Natalakitok. Maybe tomorrow I try again. Continuous na natin sa bahay, guys. This is day. At least naka-awas na yata tayo dun. 40 pieces. Nasbat na yan, guys. 40 pieces, but not big size. Small size for make a fried cook and pinamalan, guys. See the EED is already like going big. Yeah, after this one I want to deliver my fish because somebody want to buy the 6-pound, guys, for me now. Kaya busy tayo. Alright, guys, maybe next video this one, guys, because I'm making only short but I make together another video. Ang catching today and yesterday too I catching too. Alright, continuous natin to, guys, sa tomorrow sa video natin. Kaya pa makapagbuo tayo ng 10 minutes 8 minutes, okay na yan, guys. Alright, continuous natin bukas to, guys. Na-meet kami ni Rodin sa Bitsad ngayon sa kanyang tanghali, guys. Alright, continuous natin bukas, guys, yung video natin. Another pacing na, guys, para mahaba yung video natin. Alright. Ayan guys. Ito naman tayo guys. Oh. Good morning guys. 10:20 ayun guys. Laki. Alright, mayroon na tayo. Hindi na tayo na zero ha. Idugtong natin yung yesterday video guys, catching guys. I make together this one. Okay, Mr. B, good morning pa. Enjoy ka lang dyan ha. Kasi enjoy din ako dito guys. Alright, Papa Jerry. Enjoy catching again, Papa Jerry. Yesterday 40 pieces but it's not big size. But this time, this is a good size. Right? Bigger to myself talaga guys. Alright, hindi siya, enjoy lang. The one malakapas, that one is a good. Oh, that's one, some that one bigger pa. Yes sir. See? Si Pokso guys is a beautiful catching the GT Primary. Alright. Good morning guys. Love you guys. Alright guys. Good afternoon guys. It's a lot of fishermen on the beach side. We have the tree, me, and also the canoe guys is moving again. Alright, i-continuous ko lang guys yung mga nakaraan natin yung video. Pero mayroon na tayo nahuli. Good afternoon sa lahat ulit. Hindi natin na ano yung guys yung video natin noong nakaraan araw. Ilang, continuous na natin mamaya. Kung ano pang mga tinan nyo guys. Yun ang sinasabi ko siya. Chismis lang. Pero may kumakagat. Oo. Ha? Kung may kagat. Kumakagat. Ha? Oh, pop. Relax. Come on, mama. Hindi lang siya guys malalaki guys. Tama lang. 2-0. Ah! Ayos! Nakangiti yung anak ni Pablo guys. Ayan na guys. So 2-0. Continuous na natin guys. Alright, Papa Joey. Continuous catching. Ayan guys. So, yung isa 1, 2, 3. 4, mayroon pa doon size dalawa sa dulo. Kagang yung kayat paalis na dyan, mailin mo doon. Kaya enjoy lang guys, enjoy lang. Woohoo! Hi guys. Oh, the canoe guys back, but Papa Jerry continues the catching guys. It's not the big size, but the same size is 3 finger guys. Sometime 4 finger guys. It's okay already. Right? But I don't know what happened to the canoe guys. See? It's coming. Alright, continue natin guys habang kumakagat pa. Alright! Guys, si Mr. Camacho guys. Let's go! Let's go, Captain! Yan guys, oh. Si Mr. Judge Camacho guys. Kaya tayo naman, enjoy naman tayo dito sa pag-uuli guys. Naputulan tayo guys. Ayun na guys, oh. Saglit lang guys, oh. Woohoo! Yum 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 yum! Yan ang sinasabi ko guys. Kasama ko dito sa tabing dagat si Mr. Pokso and si Mr. Pablo. Si Pablo guys, and with a son for Mr. Pablo guys, sa fisherman YouTube Saipan. Let's go lang. Okay, the swimmer guys looking the cellphone losing that beach side guys. That young lady, that young lady, he told me, oh yeah, I lost my cellphone. She's the one using the kayak. He said yes, put down the water. I'm very sorry for him guys. Yeah. Talaga naman guys. Pupuntisan tayo guys. Ha? Yun lang guys, oh. Mas. Yun lang. Mga tikiting. Nag-disturbing kay Papa Jer guys. Kuntisan natin guys. Wala tayo nito guys. Oh, kita mo guys. Okay lang guys. Kuntisan natin guys. At least masaya naman eh. Ngayong andun na guys, ang daming naliligo doon. No? Tsaka doon kasi Pablo. Shout out to family Pablo. Dindo Pablo. Guys, papili. Sa lahat na swimmer now. Kaya, continuous natin guys. Kasi continuous yung pag-aantila ng, ng cellphone na nawala doon. Tsaka si may fisherman doon. Kayat na pula. Si Roski yata yun guys. Alright, continuous ko lang guys. Namin guys si kapayas na to guys. Ayos lang oh. Kayat yan. Ipot na engine na back. See? Ganda ng kayat na guys oh. Simple na tayo guys. Kayat with Roski. Bago natin kuha ulit guys oh. Kasi binili ni Pablo yung isda natin guys. Si Dindo Pablo guys. Ayan na guys oh. Mama. Up. Yan, tinan nyo guys. Pero kinuha natin picture yun guys. Yan, empty again guys ha. Ayan, panibago na yung uli natin agad oh. Panibagong uli. First catch natin kasi si Dindo Pablo by my fish guy today in the big side. Kaya kanina din guys oh. Kaya let's go again. Mga sa 35 pieces yun guys. Alright.